You think you're awake because your eyes are open. You think you're alive because your heart keeps beating. But watch yourself tomorrow morning. Before your feet touch the floor, before you feel the air in your lungs, you reach for a screen, not for information, for noise. Because silence is a mirror, and you've learned to look away. Every notification, every short video, every voice playing in the background at double speed, they aren't entertainment. They are construction materials. You are building a wall between yourself and the unbearable weight of being alive. A wall so thick that you no longer feel hunger, boredom, or longing, only stimulation. You are not living inside your life anymore. You are watching it happen from behind glass. And the most efficient prison is the one that feels productive. To survive inside this machine, you made a trade. You sacrificed depth for performance. You call it professionalism. You call it resilience. But biologically, it has a name: emotional atrophy. Your nervous system wasn't designed for constant alertness, so it adapted, not by becoming stronger, but by becoming numb. You can process data, manage deadlines, optimize routines, yet at night there is a hollow pressure in your chest you no longer have language for. In 2014, researchers discovered something unsettling. When left alone with nothing but their thoughts, people chose physical pain over silence, because pain is grounding. Silence exposes absence. And here's the evolution of that horror. You no longer shock yourself to avoid boredom. You shock yourself to feel anything. If you aren't stressed, you feel guilty. If you aren't busy, you feel unreal. Peace doesn't feel safe anymore. It feels like disappearance. Your mind keeps whispering the same lie. Later. Once I achieve this. Once I reach that. Once things settle down. But look closer. The people who made it aren't resting. They're running faster. Because the goal was never rest. The goal was delay. Delay the moment when movement stops and the question finally surfaces, was this all there was? Each completed task feels like progress, but it's also erosion. You are trading finite time, the only thing you truly own, for numbers that reset the moment your heart does. No one will remember your efficiency. No one will mourn your optimization. They will sense an absence, a human presence that never fully arrived. Here is the truth you avoid by staying busy. You didn't fail to find yourself. You optimized yourself out of existence. There is no space for you in your life anymore. Only functions, only roles, only output. You are a homeless soul living inside a well-maintained body. And if something tightens in your chest right now, don't silence it. That discomfort is the last remaining signal that something human is still alive. Don't look for solutions. This phase has none. There is only recognition. You are not broken. You are not lazy. You are not lost. You are efficient. And that efficiency built nothing. If you felt this, not understood it, but felt it, comment awake. Not as a promise, not as a declaration, just as proof that the noise cracked for a second. Stay here, in the cold, without distraction. This is quiet mind, and this is the end of the lie.